Guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to unbox Smartbuy lightning cable. So right now, let's go. Here's the lightning cable. So let's just I opened it up and made an unboxing video, and I have to cancel that video because of my hell mistake that I didn't turn my phone on, camera on actually. So let's just open this up again. Here's the lightning cable. It just says made for iPod, made for iPhone, and made for iPad. Mean that same. This means that this is a MFI certified product. Price is written over here, $8.99, made in China. Okay, color is gold because I ordered a golden color. So it's the original lightning cable from Flipkart Smartbuy. And here's the lightning cable. It appears to be a thick lightning cable, thicker than the original or genuine lightning cable which is sold by Apple. So let's have a look at the lightning cable right now. So this is the lightning cable. Front side here it is having the Flipkart logo, and here also having the Flipkart logo. This appears to be a super sturdy cable. So let's just have a look at the cable. Is there anything written on the cable too, just like the Apple cable? For example, in the Apple cable it's written designed by Apple in California, and then we'll compare it with the original lightning cable which is sold by Apple. No, nothing is written over here. So here's the fake lightning, actually Flipkart manufactured lightning cable. So it is having a thick connector than the genuine lightning cable which is sold by Apple. So yeah. And what I think is that this lightning cable is not going to break just like the Apple lightning cable. Let me show you an example how Apple lightning cable break very oftenly because it's a nylon braided cable. See, this is an Apple lightning cable. Why the hell is it not focusing? Don't know what's wrong with my camera. Okay, focused. Yeah, so I don't think that this lightning cable is going to break so soon. This looks like a super sturdy cable. So that's it for this video. Peace.